Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So again, let's discuss what happened today and then what we are expecting with the help of the data points. Okay, so the very first thing is that the last day data was bullish and everyone was tweeting that market will be bullish, and today I knew that there will be some twist. Okay, so it's not like when everyone is bullish then market just suddenly goes up. Okay, so there has to be some twist. So I did wait, and then market came down, and in the morning also, if you see that data points were bullish. Okay, but still those who went long, as you see that they had to close it at a loss, and because market came down. So talking about our trade, so my trades, so here like 1338 I saw that some put buyers were active. So 1338, if you look at here the chart, so just at the exact top here, the this top it made 30. So this is 5 minutes candle, so this is 1335 to 1340. So here caught the put buyers, they were buying 22 400 at 69. So 68 to 69 they were buying, and I also bought with them, and but it was risky because the data points were all bullish today, I finally like the price went above 80 but closed it at 79. So I closed it at 1424, as you can see. So when like I was 1424 was almost here, that is 22.25. But then also after that, like final market fell down, and but during this period, why did I close? The main reason was that call buyers were active. Okay, so I mentioned here that call buyers are active. So there are some call buyers who are active at 22,400, and they have bought it at 155. Now just after that, when this fall came, this big red candle came, so the price of 22,400 C went to 139. Okay, so 139 to 140. Then like you should know that it's very so the first point is that we knew that they bought it at 155. Okay, even for the Twitter followers also, I posted it at here. Look at the time of the post. So I posted it here at 240. Okay, and this red candle, so I told you just go and read that the buyers were at 155, 22,400. See, then this candle 240 to 245, and just below this candle, so there was a very nice opportunity, because you see that it's going at its day's low. So if day's low gets broken, then these call buyers would be in danger. Okay, and you know that like price is at 155, and now the price is at 139 to 140. So that's a perfect time to buy. Because why? Because you have a risk, very limited risk, because if the day's low gets, it's near to its day's low, if day's low gets broken, you close it so at some loss. Okay, but if the day's low does not get broken, then it again goes back to the price where they bought, at least goes back to that price where they bought, and that's what I also did. So 14 as you saw that 1445. Okay, so just at the bottom of this candle, this big red candle bought, and I would have closed it if the day's low was broken. Okay, and but it did not, and then in the next candle things shot up, and I closed it at 157. So I was about to close it at 155 because they bought it at 155, but finally the price ends at 159. But yes, so it spiked to 157. I closed it at 157 anyways. So if you want such analysis, you are welcome to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to these money flow indicators, and also you get access to my live analysis of the big guys position. So coming to our money flow indicators also, if you see here, that is the scores did not move much in the morning, so they spiked up to almost 42, and then things started coming down. Okay, so then it came to the neutral zone, and almost for the day it stayed around the neutral zone, even when the fall was coming, just check when Nifty fell here, and then again it fell here at 40. At around the last 1 hour. So during this fall, as you can see, the money flow did not fall. Okay, so Nifty fell. So the gap was created here, then it was created here. So Nifty was in its neutral zone. It did not fall. and finally Nifty went up. Okay, so that's how the money flow helps you whenever there is some divergence. Like I also showed you that the last Thursday's fall, okay, the last at 3 p.m. the fall started. So before that also there was a huge gap that was created in our money flow, and it was basically created from the midday, but still Nifty was not falling, but finally it fell at 3 p.m. So but yes, for Bank Nifty we had some data problem with Bank Nifty. So yes, so let's not consider Bank Nifty, but still like at the end it was working fine. And again still like Bank Nifty score was also on the neutral zone, and finally like Bank Nifty spiked up, okay, at the end. So now let's come to the chart. So on the charts, if you look at here, that is, let's go to the charts. So yes, for Nifty as of now, like at the current level, I haven't drawn any levels for now, so I'll draw them because it's like almost like at all-time high. So that's why like major support resistance we are not getting. But yeah, for Bank Nifty, as I told you that 47,436 is the one of the levels. So as you can see, today morning it took support, and throughout the day it took support there, okay. And so the next level is at 47,828 and 47,933. Okay, and even talking about the Nifty, we will get some levels through our option chain, okay. So coming to that, so now let's go to FinNifty. Even for FinNifty also, we discussed 22,154 is the levels, and you saw that for the whole day it took support there, and going above, FinNifty will be getting resistance at these three levels, which can I mean, out of those three, anyone can give resistance there. So it's a zone where FinNifty concentrated for a very long time earlier, so that's why that zone is important going above. Now let's come to the EOD data. So let's look at the EOD data, and then we will go to the option chain. So looking at the EOD data, it's very like surprising that just on the first day of this month, Propdex, they have closed both the sides futures positions, okay. So it's not like one side, they have closed both the sides, so like they are totally going away from futures. But on the other hand, like FIIs, they had made a huge future long positions, and today also they added up on both the sides, but mostly on the futures long side. So talking about their option chain, so what did FIIs did call writing as well as put writing mostly, but if you look at here, that is look at the look at the call writing. So here you won't understand. Sorry, it's not about the Propdex. Look at it's not about the FIIs. FIIs did call writing and put writing, okay. But the Propdex, look at the Propdex, they did call buying, okay. Look at the call buying and writing numbers. They did call buying and they did put writing as well, okay. So now but they did put writing, but they heavily like they also bought puts, and they have like they have hedged very well their put writing positions. So talking about the overall positions, FIIs, they are call writers and put writers on both the sides, so straddle guys, and talking about our Propdex, they have bought calls, and they are called buyers and put writers, okay. So now in Nifty, you know where they have bought calls. So they have bought it at 22,400 at 155, okay. So these are the info that can help you a lot going forward. And now let's talk about let's go to the option chain. So let's talk on the option chain. If you look at here, let's go to first Nifty. So Nifty, tomorrow we have in Nifty expiry. So talking about Nifty, if you look at here, that is 22,400 and even 22,500 also put writers are present. So mostly like 22,300 to 22,500, or let's take 600 as well. So this 300 points could be a major like region, but mostly like it would be 22,400 to 22,600. So these 200 point region would be the most of all. If 22,400 still breaks, then it would be like 22,300 at the bottom, or because otherwise the guys who went long, big guys who went long, they would be at a huge loss, okay. And again, as prop decks are going long and prop decks are the king, so I would rather prefer to go on buy on dip. So that would be my final verdict. But again, as you know that what I am doing is I am catching this high frequency buyers or high frequency traders during the live market hours and going with them and getting very nice accuracy. So as you can see every day, so this is the same Telegram channel, guys. I show it every day in the daily analysis what I have given, what my analysis were for the big guys, and also I post it on Twitter so you can read it out. So this is nothing, no messages are edited or deleted or anything, so you can very well see I show it to you even during the live hours on Twitter as well. So again, now coming back to the option chain. So option chain here, for the bank nifty, if you see here, even on the charts we see that 47,933 to 47,828 can give a strong resistance zone. So even looking at option chain here, if you look at here, that 48,000 is the main resistance zone, okay, from the option chain you can get. And going below we have 47,000 as the main support zone here, and between them you have also these straddle guys at 47,500 as well. Okay, so now talking about FinNifty. So yeah, looking at FinNifty, if you see again these straddle guys are there on both the sides of 21,200. Tomorrow is expiry. So but mostly like call writers are present and here, and also if you look at here, that is put writers are there, but mostly like call writers are looking very strong. And so that's the thing. But again, please note that prop decks have bought calls. So again, any time we can see a surprise. So, and you know FinNifty how unpredictable it is, so it gives a lot of injections on both the sides. So again, so those injections comes from these HFT traders, so that's why I mainly focus on them and I try to catch them and go with them, okay, and thus I avoid these injections by catching them. So anyways, that's the overall analysis of the option chain charts and money flows. So again, I would go on buy on dips, but as I told you that I mostly catch the big guys, what they're doing, and go with them, and thus with high accuracy like we can trade. So if you like my analysis, so don't forget to put a like and share among the other traders. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. Don't forget to put a like and share. See you in the next one.